Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyrene and I like to make videos. I would like to ask, how do you guys think about this background, if anything? Like, this is where I would like hang up my backdrops, but I sold them. One of them, I think. Yeah, I sold one of them. And it was the gold sparkly one. Why? I honestly don't know. Anyways, I worked so hard trying to get this tall. I'm sitting on 2 textbooks right now. So, yeah. And I realized I wrote my sign too high, but it just says reminders. Make sure you like and subscribe. So obviously, today we are doing a June, I was gonna say get ready with me. A June favorites. Since it is the end of the month, I honestly almost forgot that it was the end of the month. I'm filming this on the 28th. Yeah. So this is gonna go up on July 1st, I believe. That's the first Sunday of July. If you guys don't remember, but I release new videos every Friday and Sunday, so you guys could go check it out. Check out the rest of my channel. Anyways, just a little update on my skin. I've been breaking out. Like, this was a bug bite and this was a pimple, and I just have been getting a lot of blackheads on my face, my forehead. So I've just been so basically my skin is very congested right now. Why? I don't know, but I exfoliated last night and I've just been taking a break with makeup, and the only time I would wear it is on the weekends. So yeah. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is my makeup. So I currently have 4 makeup favorites. The first one is my go-to mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This is amazing and it holds my lash curls so well. And if you guys don't know, I have very straight lashes. They go down. I had a lash lift about 2 months ago and it only lasts a month, and for me it lasted a little bit over a month and a half, but it was amazing. My lashes looked great. It looked like my eyes were open for once. So if you guys want, you guys should get a lash lift. Find a person who does it at their house, because most likely it's gonna be cheaper because they aren't renting a spot in a salon. So yeah. My second favorite is the Dose of Colors Supreme Glow Highlighter in I See You Baby. You guys see me. This is how it looks like. Isn't that so good? Honestly, it was in one of my Get Ready With Me, I think. Yeah. And it's just so pigmented. Look at that. Do you see that? I love it. My third makeup favorite is the Pure. Is it Pure or Pur? I still don't know. Please comment down below in the comments, because I don't know how to pronounce this. It's the Pure, what's it called? Face palette. So it opens up like this, and you see, like, you think it's an ordinary, like, magnetic single shadow palette, but it has a little stand so that you could stand up this mirror. Oh, hey guys. So yeah, and the blue shade originally isn't part of this palette. It's just this is from Suva Beauty. Also, Suva Beauty single shadows, basically, actually, their eyeshadows overall are so pigmented. Like, honestly, they're amazing, and I feel like it's just so underrated. Anyways, these are, I still have the plastic there. Why? I like to have them there. There used to be like little, there used to be a divider in here that separated everything. But yeah, I really love this palette, and it just has a bunch of shades ranging from like neutral mattes, cool tones, and it's just it's just so nice. I never tried this shade. I actually want to try it out. It's like a black shimmer shade. I picked up a lot of product on my finger, so I don't know if that was just being patchy or not. So I'm gonna try again. Oh yeah, there you go. See? Okay, second category I'm just gonna talk about really quick is clothing. What I'm wearing is from the guy section. Honestly, I feel like guy clothing is so much better than girl clothing. Why? I don't freaking know. Since I'm standing, this is the shirt. It's from Levi's, obviously, and I just really love it. And then my second clothing favorite is this headband. It's from Pink, and I just love it whenever I put on my makeup or whenever I want to wash my face or basically go to sleep, because I would wear this and then this would help me clear out my breakouts because my hair isn't in my face. So yeah, I really like it. Next favorite, this is just one stationery product. So this is a notepad. This was on clearance at Staples. It says don't ever let anyone dull your sparkle. So it's a little notepad. Look how much I've gone through it, and I've only had this for a month. Okay, so first of all, what I normally do is write down like all my tasks for the day on this paper, and then actually no, first I would write down all the tasks of the week on this paper, and then I'll write down like the tasks for the day on a separate piece of paper. By the way, there you could obviously like rip it out, and it's just so amazing. It's so much space, and yeah, it's amazing. So normally what I do whenever I write my tasks for the day, I write it all down, tear it out, and then take a little piece of washi tape and put it on the wall or the window. In my case, I put it on my window because my temporary desk is in front of a window, so I put it on the window. Now we are going to go in with facial care, health, and hygiene. Yeah. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is some face masks. So I used one of these. I have two. This is the Nature Republic Real Nature Tomato Mask Sheet. And basically what this one specifically does is brighten your skin. I don't know if you guys know, but even consuming tomatoes is good for your skin. So maybe I should start consuming tomatoes more, because I haven't been eating tomatoes anyway. So also, after I take this off, my skin is super soft. So it's highly recommended by me. You heard it here first. Well, maybe not, I don't know. Anyways, next facial care product is this Freeman Beauty Infusion Brightening Overnight Mask. So basically I use this whenever I feel lazy and don't want to take anything off. So after I would put on my skincare stuff, I would apply this into my skin, and then I would just go to sleep. So I don't have to wait like 15 minutes to take it off or wash it off or whatever. And let me open this up for you guys. It looks like this. So basically it's just like a cream, and then you apply it overnight, and it tingles a little bit, but that's how you know it's working. Next, now this is more of like my body skincare. If y'all have eczema, this actually works. So when I was still living in the dorms, I asked my roommate to buy this for me because I did not go Target shopping. So she bought it for me. I paid her back, obviously. Don't worry, I'm not like that. So this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. It says daily skin therapy, heals, softens, relieves rough, dry skin, 24-hour moisture, smooths marks, and tones skin. Dermatologist recommended. First of all, scent. I know most of you guys are like, oh, I don't like the sound of this, I don't like the sound of that, but it smells just like chocolate. Ever since I've been using this, my eczema has only flared up once compared to like how many times. Honestly, it's been the longest time since my eczema has flared up. It has been about 2 months already, and that is some progress. I'm telling you guys, I have really bad eczema and it just recently flared up. So, I really like this. Lastly, if you guys are like me and you guys struggle falling asleep, this is gonna help you. Okay? Okay, so I have the natural melatonin sleep extra strength tablets. So it is proven for you to fall asleep faster, promotes more restful sleep, and 100% drug free. First of all, this is strawberry flavored and it tastes really good. Second, these are the ones that dissolve, and honestly, you don't even need water. Like, I bite through them, so they taste a little chalky when you bite through them, and I'm fine. Anyways, this really helps though. It honestly like helped me knock out. Did I even introduce this palette? I forgot to say this about this palette. If I did not introduce this palette, this is the Alamar Cosmetics palette. I got it in my, I was about to say Birchbox. I got this in my BOXYCHARM. This is how it looks like, and I really love it. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like ahead and like this video. We liked it, yes, check. And then don't forget to subscribe to this video. We subscribed, check. And it's not written on here because it hasn't been working for me lately, so I'm just gonna say it though. Make sure you ring that little notification bell. And I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe, be safe, and I'll see you guys later. Actually, I won't see you guys will see me, so you guys will see me later. Bye.